Friends, have you ever thought about how many customers small businesses lose just because nobody replies fast enough? A missed call, a delayed message, an email sitting unanswered. And just like that, the client is gone. Now imagine having a team member who never sleeps, replies instantly, speaks multiple languages, and handles chats, calls, and emails all at once. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at Solvea, a platform that lets you build a full AI receptionist in minutes without writing a single line of code. This isn't just a chatbot. It's a real digital employee that understands context, holds natural conversations, and actually helps convert leads into bookings. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's jump straight into the practical part, because this is where things get interesting. Once you sign up, you get a free pack of credits, which is more than enough to test the system and even handle your first real customers. And honestly, the fastest way to get started here is the template library, where you can find ready-made setups for different industries, from medical centers to legal firms. But in this case, we're building everything from scratch for a premium auto detailing studio. Now here's the key difference, mates. Instead of manually building flows and setting logic step by step, you just describe your ideal employee. You act like a manager giving instructions. So I type a prompt where I clearly define the business name and list the services: ceramic coating, protective film, performance tuning. And I also add an important instruction. The agent shouldn't just answer questions. It should collect contact details and the customer's car model to move them toward booking. This is the modern approach. You don't build bots, you design behavior. I hit generate, and within seconds the platform creates the base logic for our agent. Now guys, let's take a look under the hood. What you get is not just a chatbot, but a full digital personality. In our case, it's an assistant named Victoria. And inside the prompt field you can see a detailed instruction already generated for her. She understands that she should use professional terminology like hydrophobic coating or ECU remapping, and you can tweak this description to adjust tone, style, or level of formality depending on your brand. You can also guide how proactive she should be, whether she just answers questions or actively leads the conversation toward booking and upselling additional services like interior detailing or paint correction. Next, we move to deployment settings. This is where we make the agent actually usable. First, we select the voice. And this is important because modern voice synthesis now sounds natural enough for real conversations. Then we customize the greeting, the first message the client will see or hear, making it more personal so it feels like a real concierge, not a bot. Also, quick tip here, guys. Always check your time zone settings, so the agent suggests correct booking times based on your working hours. Small detail, but it avoids a lot of friction in real conversations. Now let's turn Victoria into a real sales manager. We go into the Tools section and click Add. This is where we connect external integrations. And the most important one here is Google Calendar. After a quick authorization, Victoria can see your real schedule. So when a customer asks about availability on Friday, she doesn't just say something like "I'll check." She instantly analyzes your calendar, finds available slots, suggests a specific time, and can even book it right away. This basically automates the entire flow, from first message to confirmed appointment, which is usually where businesses lose the most clients. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Next, we add Google Sheets, which automatically stores every lead and booking. No more manual data entry, no lost contacts. Then I recommend adding Send Email, so the agent can instantly send confirmations or instructions, like how to prepare a car before applying a coating. What's important here, guys, is consistency. Every client gets the same level of service without depending on human factors like mood, workload, or time of day. At this point, we already have a full system, all connected. But for accurate answers, mates, the agent needs knowledge. So we go to the knowledge base section. Here you can connect different sources, websites, platforms like Shopify or CRMs. But the simplest option is uploading your own document. I upload a PDF with service details, pricing, and conditions. And what's interesting here is that Solvea automatically analyzes the file and extracts question and answer logic. You don't need to structure anything manually. The AI understands the content on its own and builds a usable knowledge layer from it. Now guys, if a customer asks about coating durability, warranty terms, or maintenance requirements, Victoria gives a precise answer based on that document. No guessing, no outdated info. So let's test it. We switch between chat and voice mode, and in voice mode the agent greets the client, introduces itself, and handles the conversation naturally.
Welcome to Elite Auto Studio. I'm Victoria, your personal concierge for ceramic coating, PPF, and performance tuning. How can I assist you today?
A customer asks about booking a tuning session. Victoria responds, asks for the car model, checks availability, as well as offers a time slot, collects the phone number, and confirms the booking.
Paul, we have a 3-hour slot available this Friday morning for your Porsche 911 Stage 1 ECU remapping. Could you please provide your phone number so we can finalize the booking?
I would say the flow feels smooth and natural, without robotic pauses or broken logic. Another thing worth pointing out, folks, is how the agent handles follow-up questions. If a client hesitates, asks for clarification, or changes the request, Victoria doesn't reset the conversation. She keeps context and adapts, which is exactly what you need in real sales conversations. That's what turns a simple support bot into something that actually converts.
You're welcome, Paul. Have a great day.
I need to add that after conversations start coming in, everything goes into the inbox. This is your central hub for all communication, all in one place. You can filter by channel and monitor everything easily, but it goes further than that. The system automatically transcribes calls and generates summaries. So instead of listening to recordings, you instantly see what the customer wanted, what questions they asked, and what the outcome was. This saves a lot of time and gives you full visibility over your operations. And friends, if needed, you can jump into the conversation manually and take over. So you're not losing control. You're just automating the repetitive parts while keeping flexibility where it matters. Finally, let's deploy the agent. Inside the Deploy section, you can launch Victoria across multiple channels. This is where omnichannel really matters. You don't need separate bots for your site, email, or phone. You set it up once and it works everywhere. For example, to add it to your website, you select live chat, copy a small code snippet, paste it into your site, and your visitors instantly get 24/7 support. You can also connect phone numbers, so customers can call and talk to your AI receptionist, who answers, consults, and books appointments based on your data. And at this point, folks, your business basically gets a fully automated front desk running non-stop. No missed leads, no waiting time, no overload during peak hours. Everything just works in the background. So guys, if we zoom out, what Solvea is really doing is changing how small and medium businesses operate. In just a few minutes, we went from an idea to a fully functional digital employee. We created an agent using a simple prompt, trained it with real business data, connected it to tools like Google Calendar and Sheets, and deployed it across multiple channels. And what's important here, mates, is that this isn't just theory. Brands like Anchor and Dream are already using Solvea at scale, with Anchor reporting over 70% of their customer service volume automated using the platform. The result is powerful. Up to 70% of routine requests can be automated, meaning no more missed calls, no delayed responses, and no lost leads. Customers get instant answers, bookings happen automatically, and all data is stored in your system. And more importantly, you free up your time to focus on actual business growth instead of repetitive communication. This is what modern business automation looks like. Simple, fast, and extremely effective. Whether you run a med spa, a law firm, a hotel, or an online store, this kind of system can fit right into your workflow and start delivering value almost immediately. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.